My specialty is grassland science, dealing with grasses, dealing with pastures for livestock feeding. In Uganda, all our cows depend on pastures or grasses or on the legumes. So this is my specialty. And the challenge has been that people have looked at pastures as natural, and therefore you can leave them the way they are. But that's not the case. For us in sciences, pastures are crops. So they must be managed agronomically, they must be looked after, you must breed, produce new species, you must identify new species that increase milk production. I developed interest in waste management. You see, this waste, garbage as you call it, I got interested, especially to see how we can turn it into value. So we have developed that technology to turn waste. And this has reduced accumulation of waste. We have looked at how we can combine various wastes to form the best feed for goats. We've identified the technology for dairy cows. We have produced a technology for goats. And now we are looking at the technology for pigs, animal feeds for pigs, because they eat differently, because of different productivity at the end. And also we are looking at feeds for poultry from waste. So that area is so hot now globally. Today, through that research, we have been able to establish a center for waste management, center of excellence for waste management in Makerere. And this center is the first in the region. We are trying to minimize carbon dioxide emissions, because this waste, when it decomposes, produces methane, these gases which go up into the atmosphere and cause global warming and then affect our climate. So methane, we are now using it for biogas production. Quite a number of people are using biogas for cooking. So now you can see waste, which was useless, is now turned into very useful economic products. Biogas, briquettes, which are used for cooking, and then biofertilizers for fertilizing the crops, you get higher yields. And I recall in 2008, there was competition for the Presidential Science Awards. See, that's the contribution. I am a fellow of 3 academies. They have looked at all of my publications in this office, in the journals, in Google, and they have said this man deserves recognition. My appeal to my fellow scientists: if you want to remain active, you must continue working. It is the passion I have for developing the knowledge that is going to support, to improve the living conditions of our people. So it is through knowledge, through research, that is going to make our people live longer, live a very enjoyable life.